corrections officers face a judge today accused of beating an inmate to death. The prosecution releasing video of the incident and announcing a fourth arrest in the case. Local 10's Trent Kelly is live in Miami with the details. Trent.
Nicole, that fourth corrections officer we just learned was arrested earlier today in Los Angeles. His arrest comes after the arrest of 3 other corrections officers in connection to the brutal beating death of an inmate back in February. That inmate was supposed to be transferred to another facility, but he never made it. Those prison guards now facing murder charges.
Misconduct, abuse, or criminal behavior have no place in Florida's correctional system.
4 corrections officers facing the other side of the law, accused of beating to death 60-year-old inmate Ronald Ingram at the Dade Correctional Institution.
Individuals who are sentenced to incarceration by our criminal courts, they have lost their freedom, but not their basic rights.
The alleged brutal beating happening back on Valentine's Day as guards were transferring Ingram to another facility. It's at that point they say Ingram reportedly threw urine on an officer. New surveillance video released today by prosecutors shows Ingram walking on his own while being led by officers before the beating. But just minutes later, after taking him to an area away from the cameras, Ingram can barely stand and has to be carried into the transport van.
Do you see his legs kind of dragging there?
Ingram was found dead inside that van hours later after suffering a punctured lung. Following a months-long investigation, authorities yesterday arrested these 4 guards, Jeremy Godbolt, Christopher Rallone, Kirk Walton, and Ronald Connor, for their alleged involvement. 3 of the 4 appearing in bond court this morning, where the attorney for Walton challenged the charges, saying there's no real proof that his client caused the injuries that led to Ingram's death.
There's no allegation that any of the strikes he had could have caused the damage that would show a depraved mind knowing that serious bodily injury or death would occur.
In the end, the judge today did find probable cause for all the charges against those 3 corrections officers. She ordered they continue to be held in jail on no bond. Again, that 4th officer just arrested earlier today in California. Meantime, we're also learning the Florida Department of Corrections has taken some additional measures following this incident. They tell us today they have now reassigned several staff members there at the Dade Correctional Institution. They've also installed a new warden. The head of the Department of Corrections today releasing a statement calling this case, quote, completely unacceptable. For now, that is the latest live from Miami. I'm Trent Kelly, Local 10 News.